Welcome to the Department of Management Studies, Nalsar University of Law. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process on how to take NMET PG, which is the Nalsar Management Entrance Test. We begin the candidate login process to access the online MCQ exam. This involves three critical steps. The first is entering your username and password. The second is entering the CAPTCHA that is displayed on the respective screens. And the third is selecting the tick box against the accept the terms of use and privacy policy of the website. This is followed by clicking on the login button. Once you have logged into your account, you will view your exam details, including the exam start date, end date, time zone, number of questions, and the time left. Once you click on the Proceed button, a pop-up window indicating the candidate details will come up. Cross-check the details, followed by clicking on I agree and click on the Confirm button. After clicking on the Confirm button, your system will ask you to allow the usage of a web camera. Once you allow the same, you will get a window that displays the exam instructions. After reading all the instructions, click on I have read and understood the instructions, followed by I am ready to begin button to start the exam. This will take you directly to your online exam window. You will view the exam timer on the top right-hand corner, indicating the time left for completion. The main window will display the body of the question, including the question and the corresponding options to choose from. For selecting the correct answer, click on the bullet option associated with the particular choice and then select Save and Next. You can also navigate through the entire question set from the question grid on the right side of the window. While the system automatically saves your answers, you can navigate through the questions using the previous and the Save and Next buttons. In case you have a doubt with a specific question, you can choose the Mark for Review option and come back to it later. While submitting, the questions marked as marked for review are also considered as attempted final answers. The question grid will label each question differently for easier access. The attempted questions are shown in green, unattempted in grey, attempted but marked for review in blue, and unattempted but marked for review will be in purple. While you attempt the exam, a remote proctor will monitor your conduct and be subjected to supervision. Therefore, you will not be allowed to talk to anyone or refer to any books or study material. Any violation of the same would fall under exam malpractice. Opening of any external tabs will also be a violation of exam regulations. Once you have completed the exam and reached the last question, the Submit Test option will be visible on your page. This will lead you to a test summary window showing you the number of questions you have attempted, unattempted, attempted but under review, and non-attempted under review questions. The window will ask you to go ahead with the submission. Click on Yes if you want to submit the test and No if you would like to go back to the test. Once you submit the test, your exam will be marked as complete. The same procedure can also be followed using a mobile device. However, we recommend using a desktop to take the test. Thank you and all the best for your exam.